చిత్తూర్ దక్షిణ కోస్తా రైల్వే గుంటూరు డివిజనల్ రైల్వే మేనేజర్ చంద్రశేఖర్ గుప్తా గురువారం చిత్తూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్ అభివృద్ధి పనులను పరిశీలించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆయన మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతూ అమృత్ పథకం కింద చిత్తూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్ ఎంపికైందనని తెలిపారు. మౌలిక సదుపాయాలతో పాటు లిఫ్ట్ సౌకర్యం, ఆధునిక విశ్రాంతి గదులు, ద్విచక్ర వాహనాలు మరియు కార్ల పార్కింగ్ సైతం ప్రత్యేకంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసినట్లు వివరించారు. ప్రయాణికులు సులభంగా చేరుకునేందుకు పట్టణ రహదారి నుంచి రైల్వే స్టేషన్ వరకు నూతన రోడ్లను నిర్మించామని తెలిపారు. ఈ రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో అన్ని హంగులతో కూడిన పనులను 2 నుంచి 3 నెలల్లో పూర్తి చేస్తామని ఆయన వెల్లడించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో రైల్వే పోలీసులు, సాధారణ పోలీసులు, రైల్వే డిపార్ట్మెంట్ సిబ్బంది పాల్గొన్నారు.
Four-wheeler car parking facilities has been developed over here. Two-wheeler car parking, enough space has been created, and we are trying to create more space for commercial exploitation. Front of the station, lot of land parcel is available, which is having lot of potential for commercial development. So we have given this land to RLD organization for commercial exploitation, and furthermore, some land you may be aware that it is being taken over, which was earlier available under lease. And this is being developed by our division. There are a lot of potential for our non-NFR revenue is there. As far as the passenger amenities are concerned, since this is a temple city, so we are developing retiring room facilities here. Air-conditioned retiring rooms are coming up, dormitories are coming up, and unified waiting halls are coming up for improved facilities like Divyangjan toilet facilities, then separate ladies and gents toilet. And modern material is being used for development of this station. So hopefully this will get completed by this calendar year.
Sir, what about escalators?
Actually, there is a lot of constraint on the platform width actually. So we are providing lift facilities, and we will try to integrate with the FOB.
Okay, sir. Already there is a lift is there, sir, but there is no indicator.
Improve that signages facilities over here.
Moreover, there is 6 trains are not stopping here, and also there is no train for Madras also, sir. It's our long-standing dream.
See,
Chittoor people's a lot of trouble, sir. Voka Express.
Railway and Ministry of Railway takes a decision based on the passenger booking over here and past earnings. So if the past earnings are not much, so stoppages are not being provided. And then Mail Express train, you may be aware that there is a fixed timings for reaching from a source to the destination. So everywhere the halt cannot be provided. Operationally, it is not feasible because that will every halt affects the other trains, long distance trains.
This is headquarters, sir.
Sir, how much time it will take to complete all the facilities?
Civil works, as I told, this calendar year we are trying to complete it, and this will be inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister of India as a Amrit Bharat station scheme. This is being done. Last year you may be aware that more than 100 plus stations all over Indian Railways, those were dedicated to the nation by our Honorable PM. In similar way, almost 1000 stations are being developed all over India, in which in our Guntakal division 16 stations have been identified. This is one of the station in that.
Sir, the works are going are very slow. Why? What is the reason?
See, you may be seen to visit in this station. So we are trying.
Sir, actually there is no communication from your getting the news and
regarding communication regarding.
Sir,
Any information? Any information at railway station?
This is our routine visit actually.
No.
Not only, sir.
Sometime I conduct surprise inspection also.
Okay,
Generally
sir.
it is not known. Anyway, communication will be provided to you if anything is there.
Sir, there is no enough CC cameras.
CC cameras and
Everything is going to be provided in our railway here.
sir, recently some employees are misbehaving to the passengers.
Ticket.
We have taken off the stock very seriously, and our commercial department, they have taken immediate action. Disciplinary proceedings were taken. The employee was put under suspension, and we are taking action against the employee. For major action will be taken against such employees. We have a zero tolerance against any indiscipline towards our passengers.
Sir, finally, here only police, railway police, media persons,
We'll just,
railway police only.
okay, we'll look into this matter and we'll communicate to our concerned authorities. There may be some miscommunication and all. We'll try.